Introducing hosted IP video, HOIP video from ViproMobile. IP video taken to the clouds and your hands. Let's start with a brief comparison of traditional IP video and new HOIP video. Both systems basically contain cameras, brains, pipeline, and display devices. As far as the cameras themselves, whether it's a current IP video or a brand new HOIP system, they're between $150 and $2,700 per camera. As far as a factor in comparison, it doesn't make a difference. As far as the display devices, whether it's local in a control room or remote display devices, also it's a complete non-factor. But when we eliminate the components that are the same, we have the key differences and strengths of HOIP video. With current IP systems, there's a computer or server on location running 24 hours a day, 365, which is doing all the processing and storage. With HOIP video, instead, there are routers and firewalls. There really is no local brains per location, and all the servers are remote at ViproMobile, which leads to the very most important question. Which environment do you think is more secure, ideal, and going to get you to 2020 and beyond? Is it that local server that you bought from the lowest bidder, or our enterprise-class servers in a pristine hosting environment? Second overall thing is bandwidth. Whether you're doing current IP or HOIP video, you do need internet access. The difference is, with HOIP video, each camera streams, so the amount of bandwidth required depends on the number of cameras as well as the number of megapixels you require. Are you trying to get license plates from 6 blocks away or count the pennies in a tray? If so, well, then it requires more bandwidth. And then also it depends on the application and frame rate. Does it need to look like streaming TV, or can it be more like a bank and have an image or two every second? Now, the thing is, too, we're moving from a capital expense to an operational expense because our entire business model is a monthly model. And as it turns out, it often takes between 4 to 6 years before you invest as much in HOIP video as you did the first day with IP. And the main reason for that is broadband and high-speed internet's prices going down and down. And as it does, the feasibility increases. Current IP video, we have over 1,000 installations worldwide at ViproMobile, and if you demand traditional IP video with servers on location, we are certainly qualified to assist you. But for many of our clients, particularly between 1 and 6 cameras, where you plan on viewing it remotely or through your mobile device, if you have broadband access, new HOIP video is a smart option for now and 2020 and beyond. In short, we're adding the connectivity of all the cameras to stream, less expensive equipment at the local level, which creates significant and immediate long-term savings. Also, we're adding the mobile element. Let's take a look at this. Because once your video is securely on our cloud, we can route that signal to the usual suspects, but we can also route it to your mobile device. Of course, it'd be password protected. But the challenge is your managers, supervisors, and often the people who need to see the video aren't strapped in front of their desk, but they certainly have a mobile device in front of them at all times. We can even take these same streaming images and put them to your guest's mobile device, in-room TV, and other locations. And you might be thinking, surveillance to guests? That's crazy. Well, yes, if it's a fast food restaurant, that doesn't make sense. But if you're in the hospitality or vacation rental business or commercial real estate, we can show you how to take a $150 camera, point it to the beach or the mountain view, and get that image into the eyeballs of your guests. All of that is mobile marketing, and we have other images and videos about that. But in short, we can send a text message to your travelers or your guests saying, see the fresh powder falling right now via webcam. Click here and book the property. And what they see on their smartphone is what you see out the deck. The very last thing is about heartbeats. With your current system, do you know anytime any camera or any component fails? Well, with HOIP video from ViproMobile, we certainly do, and we can send you a text message letting you know anytime there's a problem with the system, so you can investigate it and we can correct it. That's it. Want more information about HOIP video? Do you want to see a demo? Do you want to see what the weather's like in Louisiana? Well, be prepared to pause this video because we can show you more information. Just text HOIP video to 72727. You can scan this QR code and send in a text to get the same thing. We'll send you more information. My name is Brian West. I'm the mobile marketing specialist, and Rob Black is our HOIP video specialist. Thank you very much.